Alright guys, so we're going to show you guys how easy it is to clean our floor mats. We're going to be using we're going to be using Chemical Guys cleaner for this. So you guys could tell, got a little bit of everything, coffee, buildup. They went up the mountains, they got a bit of salt and snow buildup. So overall, they're just dirty. So you could try to always take off what you can. And whatever's left, what I like to do first is just a little water, and then from there, any soap you may have, you don't need a lot, so don't overdo it. And again, some of them are water. And you get your brush. This will probably be the hardest part in this particular section because all the buildup kind of stays in there. Just take your time. So you're going to use very little soap. That kind of drops everything from there. A quick wipe down. And again, this is not like regular water hose. It's already pretty good, and that's with very little effort. I could still have a little bit here, but I'll wipe it down real fast. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a little towel and make sure it's all dry. Once that is done, we'll be using the protectant right here, just to kind of bring the life back, even though I'm pretty sure it'll be good the way it is. It just gives a little bit of shine without, of course, being slippery. But again, if you just wish to do with regular Dawn soap, you can. Just with water, you can as well. It's drying up now. Again, yeah, little spots that I didn't get to, but everything is coming out good. If I would put a little bit more effort into it, I wouldn't have to do this step. But if we're just showing this to show customers how it looks with a simple little cleaning and a little quick spray down. Again, you don't need a lot of this. A little bit, just spread it with the same towel that I was using earlier to dry it. I'll be spraying it. That way we don't have a lot of residue left over. So I always do the edges first. And then I'll work my way in to the channels. There you go, guys. Honestly, it looks like it's brand new. That was a quick wipe down or cleaning video to show you guys how to clean it. Again, we're not sponsored by any of these two companies, Chemical Guys. If you guys want to work with us, give us a call. But we're not sponsored by anybody. It's just also a simple little wipe down that we did. You can honestly use regular Dawn soap or just with the pressure washer, regular hot water. Should be more than enough to clean these mats. It's very easy to clean them. All right. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. It does help us bring you guys more content.